Welcome to my HIIT or interval, depending on what you want to call it, for beginners. I'm Jennifer Wagner with Collective Wellness. This is a beginner level class, as in you will not be doing high impact, not a lot of coordination. So this is perfect for somebody just starting off, or if you have any limitations. Before we get started, make sure you have water, exercise within your ability. And then, of course, don't forget to subscribe. Click on that little button down there. That way you do not miss a beat with any of my workouts. Let's get started with a marching out, and I'm going to start the music. So just march it out. And we're going to get warmed up. Like I said, this is going to be a low impact, but you are welcome to make those adjustments as you wish. Okay, march it out wide. March it out wide. Let's go into a squat. So your hips rock back, toes stay forward, staying on your heels, arms forward, chest stays open. Good. Make them small if you need to. Build as you get more comfortable or warmed up. One more. Step touch. Let's reach it up. Stretch. Stretch. Feel that down the side of the body. Just getting the body warmed up. All right, let's do a hamstring curl. Keep your feet wide. Kick your heels to your tush. I'm going to turn so you can see. This is what it looks like from the side. If you can, get those arms moving, pull back. Anytime that you're doing any type of cardio or work, you want to get those arms moving if you can. Even if they are low, below the shoulders, that's when you're going to get the heart rate up even more. All right, let's turn it into a side leg lift. These are things we're going to be doing later into the interval. So we're moving the body nice and easy. Some parts of this workout might be more challenging than others. That's okay. Just do what you can. Try to keep moving. That's the biggest thing, is just move. Keep moving. Okay, opposite hand to your ankle. Opposite hand to your ankle. Bend the knees, open those hips. Now this is beginner level, but does not mean it's going to be easy. It should still be challenging in one way or another. All right, shake it out. Okay, I'm gonna get my watch ready because it is gonna be 30 seconds. Go ahead and march it out if you want. 30 seconds work, 15 seconds rest. And that 30 seconds should be challenging. You should be really pushing your body where you can. And then the 15 seconds rest is literally just standing there and doing nothing. Okay, first exercise is gonna be high knees. So you're gonna bring your knees up high. Now arms, you can pull down, break the board. You can pull back if you need to keep your arms below the shoulders. High knees. You're already halfway. Keep an eye on that watch. As high as you can go with those knees. I didn't mention, you can do this in the chair if needed. All right, rest. Stand there for 15 seconds. Inhale. I know, just as the music starts to build up. Exhale. When I say go, you're going to start back over again. Go. So coordination, we're keeping it basic. Impact, we're keeping it low. Speed is where you can start building it up. Can you go faster? You could even get those arms up too. Get those knees as high as you can. You're over halfway already. Breathe into the nose, out to the mouth, and rest. That was quick. Inhale and exhale. You're just staying here. If you worked hard, you Just stay for that recovery stage. All right, we get it one more time for high knees. Go. Watch foot and start. Go ahead. You got your arm movements. I'm going to change it up so you can see. Okay. No, just keep itching. What is it? Someone thinking about me or talking about me? Get those knees up as high as you can. Move those arms however you want. You're over halfway. Come on, come on. Remember, speed is where you can pick up that challenge. Whew. And rest. Good job. Okay, breathe. And exhale. While you recover, the next exercise I'm going to show you is that side leg lift. You're going to bring your arms to the opposite side, point your toes. You're balancing on the one leg. Okay, if you need to do a side, this is an option if needed. All right, did I watch ready? And go, 30 seconds. So you can pick up that speed wherever you're comfortable. You're halfway. Stay tall. Use the arms for balance also. Got it, got it. Lift that leg up high if you can. And rest, rest. Deep breath in and exhale. Inhale and exhale. All right, get in position and go. Lift that leg up as high as you can. Toes are pointed when you go out to the side. I look to the side and I throw myself off. You're halfway. Come on. Breathe. Again, challenge yourself with your speed if you can. Give me a few more. Whew. And down. Rest. Got one more. Deep breath in. And exhale. We'll do one more round of those side leg lifts. All right. Get in position. Go. Toes pointed. Use your weight, distribute side to side. You got it. Come on. You're over halfway. Whew. Are you breathing? Are you staying tall? And rest. Ah, good job. You're done with that one. Deep breath in and exhale. We'll do a tiny bit longer break for this part. The next one, while you're resting, I'm going to have you show you, is the hamstring curl. It's the heels kick to the tush, just like this. Okay, knees stay underneath you or behind you. Arms can be pulling back or pulling down, whatever works for you. Okay, we're going to get in position. 30 seconds. We'll do 3 rounds of this again. And go. So hamstring curls, start with just the legs if you need to, and then pull back. You can do elbows out. You can do elbows down. Those are a couple options for you. You could even change it up. You want the more coordination. Again, speed. How fast are you going? You're almost there. Going quickly, hopefully. And rest. Good job. Inhale. And exhale. The idea behind interval or HIIT workout is that you push your body in those 30 seconds or whatever ratio you're doing. Go ahead and go. Whatever ratio you are going into. And really gets the heart rate up. Pumps up the metabolism. Challenges your body in different ways. Remember, you have your arm movements. Whatever works for you. Kick your heels to the tush. Get those heels up there. Keep those knees underneath you and or behind you. Couple more. And rest. Good job. Inhale. And exhale. This is the time to recharge and regain strength through that breathing too. We got one more for hamstring curls. We are getting to the end. Going quickly, hopefully for you. All right, go for it. Hamstring curls. Pull back. Can you go a little faster now? Your body's recognizing that it's already done this. Can you go a tiny bit faster? Any of these exercises, if you do this again, you could always add those bounces in if you're ready for it. But today, we're just keeping it low. You're almost there. And rest. Woo! Good job. Done with the hamstring curls. We got one more exercise left. That's going to be the opposite elbow to your knee. So deep breath in and exhale. This one is a opposite twist. So you get a twist in there as you bring your knee up nice and high as you can go. And then we'll adjust the arms accordingly. All right. Last exercise, go. So you got a twist with a knee lift. Keep your arms down. Build that speed. You can build the arms too. They can go up and over, or they can stay low. Try to get that twist in and the knee lift. That's the main part of this. Then build up your speed and your arm movements. You're almost there. And rest. Good job. That twist is getting those obliques involved, getting your abs and obliques are along the sides here. Breath in and exhale. If you can't get your knee up that high, that's okay. Just get it up as high as you can. All right, round two, go. So even if you're here, that's okay. Build. Twist and knee lift. Those are your two focus. Shoulder is turning, not the elbow as much as the shoulder. You're over halfway. Come on. Almost there, almost there. And rest. Woo. Got one more left. One more. Hang in there. Deep breath in. Exhale. Good. And when we're done with this last round, stay with me for a stretch. We really want to stretch the body out. Go for it. Last one. We're going to stretch the body out afterwards. Decrease the chances of being sore the next day. Decrease chances of injuries. And just open the body up. Don't forget, stay with me to the end. You're over halfway. You're doing great. Are you going a little faster? Twist, twist. And rest. Good job. Shake it out. Whew. Get water if you need water. Oh. Deep breath in. Exhale. All right, let's bring those feet out wide. I'm going to turn that music off. Feet out wide. You did great. Now it's the treat part of the time where you're going to stretch all those muscles out. So feet out wide. Go ahead and lunge to the right. So now your right knee is bent, left leg is straight. Press your inner thigh into the floor, your left inner thigh. Hip is back. Good. Take your left hand to your right knee. Right arm is going to come up as you go into a twist and open up as much as you can to the right. I'm mirroring you if you haven't figured this out yet. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hand back down. We're going to switch sides. So lunge to your left. Left knee is bent. Pressing your inner thigh into the floor. You shift your hips to the left and back. So you're going to feel that right through the inner thigh and groin. Bring your right hand to the knee and then left arm up as you twist it, open up. Inhale and exhale. Good. Bring your hand down, center, lifting up nice and tall. Take your hands together, lift up and over to the side as you feel that down. Left side. Take your hand to your thigh. You're going to go a little further. Take your left arm, push it back. Coming up. All right, switch sides, hands up and over to the left. Feel that down the right side of the body. Now bring your hand to your thigh and go a little further. Push the arm back. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. All right, watch this part first if you need to. You're going to slide down, legs stay straight. Keep your legs straight. Let your hands fall down below your head. Tuck your chin. Keeping your knees straight as you rock your hips side to side. Rock your hips side to side. Go ahead and join in if you were watching first. And as you shift your hips side to side, you're going to feel the hamstring stretch move because you have multiple hamstring muscles. And feel this in the outer hip also. But the knees are locked. Hands below your head, head is dropped. Go ahead and center. Let your head drop a little further, chin is tucked. Relax the arms. You feel that through the whole back side of the body. So spine, hips, hamstrings, chin is still tucked. All right, start to walk your feet in. So lift your foot and pivot. Lift your feet and pivot. And just keep coming in as far as you can. When you're at a point where you're like, oh, I can't go anymore, that's okay. Make sure your toes are pointed forward and then just hang out there for a moment. Let your head drop, arms relax. Rock your hips side to side again. Legs stay straight. Inhale. Exhale. All right, curl yourself up, vertebra by vertebra. Chin is tucked, arms hanging. Reaching up nice and tall. And exhale. Rock your head side to side. Always want to finish with a nice stretch through your neck. Shoulders down, knees are soft. Turn your head side to side. Release. Deep breath in. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe. Click on that little picture of me, and then I'll leave a video for you for a little extra there too. Have a great day. Come back soon.